the picture. It was so fucking
What are
good,
you
dude.
making?
Dude, I
We're
mean
making
these.
katsudon.
Yeah, katsudon.
Katsudon. It's a play on katsudon.
I've never made so much rice.
Hobos with no
Oh,
Michelin
that's gonna
stars
last you
left
for a
left.
while.
Mako.
Just one, maybe just one.
Yo,
cup,
Mako.
'cause it's just you.
What's good, Mako?
Although it's good, it'll be leftovers.
In
Have
jail,
you,
if you
do
had
you
a
ever
cuddle
make
sex
fried
with
rice
3
with your
inmates, it
leftovers?
was
Because I
called a
can
mall
teach you how to make a
pretzel
really
roll.
mean fried rice with leftovers.
I never end up having leftover
You
rice.
can just make 1 cup camel.
Oh, okay. We got a rice guy over here.
Wait, should I do 1 cup?
6 months
If you feel like you're not gonna
Probably.
eat the rest,
Oh shit!
you're one dude. You could eat a whole.
You're giving me nostalgia.
I heard you right there. I heard you right there,
In the
Reebok.
day with an entire pound of cinnamon sugar. We'll just let it
Cake is
remain in the
probably
rice cooker.
right. Cake is probably right. Should I just do 1 cup of rice?
Yeah, I think
This is a lot. This is a lot of rice.
I'm cooking for 2 people.
Ha ha.
I'm cooking
Yeah,
for a
true.
man who is bulking, so he's trying to weightlift.
Yeah, hell yeah, dude. Give him a cup and a half.
Dude. A cup and a half is probably good, or yeah.
I hope
just
another
make
bowl
it-
lands in my
Chef.
Thank you.
So,
Hi, chef.
The husband is
Hello.
making rice.
We're making katsudon,
1
chef.
cup of rice is more than enough. Hi Sal. My doctor said that my zucchino reminds her of a mall pretzel roll.
Zucchino. What the fuck is zucchino?
That's
WTF,
That's
puppy.
that's you gotta use your imagination.
Hi, Camel.
Hello. What's up, chef?
Chef. Impressive bumpy.
Chef, look at my bear.
Fishes. Cake.
Bear. I'm the bear? You're the bear. I thought you were talking about me at first.
It's a big old green weenie lol.
No, I mean the
Chef.
the other bear, the other bear. Wait, can you hold the tomat? You got a
I don't
tomat?
have a
Hey,
tomato.
hello,
I'm so
busy.
sad.
You gotta do the cosplay.
I gotta do the
Hi, Abby.
cosplay of your bear with the tomato. Oh, I could put
Yeah.
my frog costume on.
OMG,
Okay,
bear.
okay, I'll tell you what. I'll buy a tomato. Next time we stream, I'll put my frog costume on, my bear thing, and the tomato.
When did you paint that?
We'll get them side by side.
Dude, this shit
They look so cute.
This shit is actually crazy fluffy.
They look so cute. Oh, yeah. You have a tomato. No, you have a tomato.
No, that's a tomat. Yeah, that's Kebab's tomat. That's a Kebab's brand tomat.
Oh my god, I love it. Dude, I saw the cutest hot dog with a face today. I really wanted to buy it. But I went with
RMBR when it came in the bag and it was just a fat tomat.
Yeah.
Did it fluff up? That's funny.
Yeah, because they vacuum sealed it.
Oh, yeah. That's how my bed came. Okay. So,
Look at this rice broth.
dude. Oh, you can use that to water plants, fun fact. The leftover rice water?
Rice juice?
Yeah, you can
Just
rice water your
be
plant.
Jack a little
Has
cake.
nutrients.
I saw the cutest pickle plush with sausage lips, but I didn't buy it.
Oh my god. Okay, so here's the Delio Spaghettio. Let me pull the. This is actually not going to be that hard of a recipe. Fun fact.
I have a snail squishmallow. Can I send it to you,
Get it.
Camel?
Rice broth is all I've eaten this week.
Wait, you say a snail?
Oh no,
You
really?
say a snail squish. A what?
Huh?
Squishmallow. Wait, what is that?
Squishmallow. You've never seen? Oh my god, I gotta buy you a frog squishmallow. Okay, I'm gonna get you a frog.
What the hell is a squishmallow?
Oh my god, they're like the